manipulate this program.
Thunderball?
Yeah.
Tell the people about this poor old car of yours we've been driving around for 5 years.
Oh, this poor
You've been driving along how much longer than that?
Oh, a long time I've been driving, though, but this poor old car is take me, I need to upgrade. Or this Nissan, this is Pathfinder, 2-wheel something, 4-wheel drive, you know. Mr. Nissan, please, sir, to upgrade this vehicle. And I paid the toll, whatever, where, when. That's agreement since I upgrade your performance of this motor vehicle, drive the public roadway. And that's all I need to do. That's all I need.
Yeah.
Mr. Nissan. Upgrade this thing. Yeah.
Well, you know, folks stop by the website. They can help you out with a little donation, maybe.
Yeah. So many. I've done all transplant, kidney, lungs, everything, gearbacks and feet. Or by the work, I've done a little bit. Keep in shape, you know.
Yeah, we'd like to collect a little money to get a new vehicle so Thunder could take people to the airport for a change.
Well, yeah, more reliable service. You know, I'll take you there.
Yeah.
Got a red Nissan truck, baby. I'll ride you safe. Take her anywhere she want to go. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, look around.
I'm showing them the truck.
Yes, 87 Pathfinder, speak for me.
87 Pathfinder. That tell you how long we've been maintaining this vehicle.
Yes, it take more. I could have a new stuff ready to move. Wow, so far it's cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
Replacing damage or old age.
Well, if somebody looking for something good to do for somebody, this would be the thing to help with.
Yes, I roast a ton of coffee bean for you if you want it.
Yeah, there you go.
Blue Mountain Coffee, the ultimate selected Emperor brand Blue Mountain.
You help Thunderball, I know he'll help you.
Say hello, yes, this is
Aye.
King of the forest, show them the greens around here, this space.
King of the forest, right here.
All around, so you show them the green grass and enough space. You keep the houses out of there.
Okay, well help us out if you can, people.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't get too far in the car, already got a little problem.
No.
This is what we're talking about.
Out of work, you know. By now I should build a motor. I could build a motor from what I learned to repair.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But we find a fine man to help us out. So this is how it is, as you can see. We go a little ways, then we stop in Jamaica. And we find a man who fixes us up.